It's really easy to find books that are already selling. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. So the first is we're gonna go to the Amazon bestsellers list and we're gonna look for books that are already selling well. Step 2 is we're gonna use a special tool called KIP Scout. It's free, which is awesome. And that's gonna tell us exactly how much the book is making, how stiff the competition is, and some other details that are gonna be really, really important. And then the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna double check the competition and we're gonna make sure that the competition is not too tough. So let me show you exactly how to do this in real time right now. All right, so I'm on Amazon in my incognito browser. I'm gonna select books and we are gonna type in a keyword, first time dads. The first thing I'm gonna do is I am going to open up my KIP Scout and gonna go to settings. And so I'm gonna make sure that my settings are correct. This should be 150. And 500 minimum that they're making every single month. This is for minimum or maximum 150 reviews. 3 of them have to be considered, and I'm only looking at the top 20. And then I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna see that it's unprofitable. These are green, but these are 21 and 20, so they don't count. They're not on the first page. Something that you can look at is this one is 151, right? So it's one review off. So if a book's at 151 or versus 150, does it really matter? No, not at all. So did that change? That didn't change it. So we're just going to go ahead. I wonder if it has to change it by tens. There you go. So we're just going to go ahead and deem this as profitable for this example. So we have this one, 4 reviews, $1,000. This one, 151 reviews, making over 500. This one, 63 reviews, making 1,100. So this niche is deemed profitable. So this topic, first time dads, we can now say is profitable. Now we can deem that this topic right here, first time dads, is profitable.